Good afternoon, my name is Jordan Lambert, Market Analyst at Jalatomi Management. As the threat of an imminent strike on Syria fades away, gold has been under decline, but it has been finding support around 1356 to 1360. An alternative diplomatic solution has been agreed in principle by the US, Russia and Syria, where the Middle Eastern nation will have to hand over its chemical weapons to the United Nations. This news has relieved anxiety amongst investors, and we have seen a waning of safe haven demand as a result. The resolution, albeit not yet finalised, has helped lift stocks. At the same time, we have been seeing improving economic data from the likes of China, Australia and Canada, and hence funds have been shifted away from precious metals back into riskier assets. Right, let's just take a look at the chart. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. This descending channel that I drew on Monday, actually I've drawn it a few times now, is still intact, like so. And we also have support around 1350 to 1360 still intact as well, like here. So I mentioned this support was an important level between 1350 to 1360. I mentioned this on Monday, and since then we have seen two occasions where price has bounced off, here and again here. Now the latest 4-hour candlestick was, well, it's a long shadow candlestick, so that's showing that there's been a lot of buying occur at as price dips into this region. So we with the fact that it's also lining up with the bottom side of the channel, we could see price wander to the top side of the channel. Bear in mind though that the stochastics is still showing downward force, so as we can see, we don't have any bullish divergence yet, because we are seeing lower highs and lower lows on the stochastics like this, which sort of mirrors what's happening with actual price action. So we have got no bullish divergence there, and the downward momentum is still intact. So if we do see a price draw towards the top side of the channel, bear in mind that the stochastics momentum is still strong, and it looks set to continue. So look for shorting opportunities as price approaches 1380 and the top side of the channel. Let's just take a look at the daily chart. I'll just delete these annotations. Right, because on the daily chart we have the moving average, 50-day moving average, and price is just sitting on this 50-day moving average as I speak, and it looks like this could be one of the reasons why we saw a sharp volume of buying on this 4-hour candlestick here. So we've got support at 1350 to 1360, also support from the 50-day moving average, support from the bottom side of the channel. So we could see price move higher in the medium term. Just be aware, if price closes above or below this blue line, this 50-day moving average, that might dictate where price moves over the next few days. So if you're more cautious, wait to see where price closes by the end of the day, whether it's above or below. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.